Django Unhandled exception. It is running under debug equals true mode. Sometimes it can throw out an error message with traceback information when encounter an error, but sometimes it just display the following lines. I have to switch to development server to see detail message. How can I make it always display traceback message when an error is encountered?
Just connect to the got_request_exception signal and log the exception. This will log the whole trace. In the dev server, it logs in the console.
Maybe you can use this snippet. This will log exceptions in Apache's log. utils.py. site_logging.py. Put it in your settings.py. And in your code.
Are you using Apache? Just out of interest, is this your production or dev environment where you want to see the traceback? From the Django book on security, exposed error messages. Users deploying under Apache and mod_Python should also make sure they have Python debug off in their Apache conference files. This will ensure that any errors that occur before Django's had a chance to load won't be displayed publicly. I assume you want Python debug on. This is recommended for development only.
That's what debug equals true is for, to show the full traceback. The idea is that regular users do not want, nor do you want them to, see anything other than a simple error message.